Welcome to our presentation on implementing a robust regulatory information management system. Today, we'll guide you through a comprehensive 9-step roadmap to successfully implement this crucial system in your organization. Join us as we explore each step in detail to ensure a seamless and efficient implementation process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Initiation and planning is where the seeds of success are sown for your regulatory information management system implementation. This pivotal phase unfolds in 3 essential parts. Firstly, the project kickoff marks the official commencement, rallying stakeholders and setting expectations. Secondly, a meticulous assessment of the current system unveils insights into its functionality and limitations, guiding the path forward. Lastly, through thorough requirements gathering, we meticulously capture the needs and aspirations of your organization, paving the way for a tailored solution that optimally serves your regulatory objectives. Let's delve deeper into each component, laying the groundwork for a seamless transition to a robust RIMS framework. The second step marks a critical juncture in your journey towards implementing a regulatory information management system. This phase revolves around 3 key elements: market research, RFP development, and vendor selection. During your market research, you delve and identify potential vendors and understand the landscape of available solutions. This step ensures that you have a comprehensive understanding of the options available and can make informed decisions moving forward. Following the market research, you will start developing your RFP, your request for a proposal. This document articulates your organization's requirements, objectives, and expectations clearly. It serves as a roadmap for vendors, guiding them in presenting proposals that align closely with your needs. The final action of this roadmap step is selecting the definitive vendor. With the RFP responses in hand, embark on the process of vendor evaluation and selection. Utilize predefined criteria to assess each proposal objectively, considering factors such as functionality, cost, support, and vendor reputation. The ultimate goal is to identify the vendor that best fits your organization's requirements and culture, setting the stage for a successful partnership in implementing your RIMS. Step 3. System design is where the magic happens in designing a regulatory information management system, RIMS, that truly empowers your organization. Here are some key tips to make this phase a success. In your functional design, dive deep into understanding user needs and workflows. Involve stakeholders early and often to ensure the system architecture and user interface designs resonate with their requirements. Consider conducting user testing sessions to gather feedback and iterate on design concepts. In your technical design, collaboration between IT and regulatory experts is crucial here. Ensure the system infrastructure is scalable and flexible to accommodate future growth and regulatory changes. Plan for data migration meticulously, ensuring minimal disruption to operations. Prioritize seamless integration with existing systems to maximize efficiency. During validation and approval, engage stakeholders throughout the design process to maintain alignment with regulatory standards and organizational goals. Conduct thorough reviews and seek input from regulatory experts to validate compliance. Gain buy-in from key decision-makers to ensure smooth approval and endorsement of the design documents. By following these tips, you can navigate the system design phase with confidence, laying the groundwork for a RIMS solution that not only meets regulatory requirements, but also enhances operational efficiency and compliance across your organization. The fourth step, implementation, encompasses 2 essential aspects. The system/configuration, which involves the practical setup of the Regulatory Information Management System, RIMS software. It begins with the installation process, ensuring that the software is correctly deployed within the organization's IT infrastructure. Configuration follows, where customization occurs to tailor the system to meet specific business requirements. This may involve adjusting settings, creating custom fields, or configuring workflows to align with organizational processes. Additionally, user roles and permissions are established during this phase to regulate access to different parts of the system. This ensures that users only have the necessary privileges to perform their respective tasks, maintaining data security and integrity. Integration is crucial for ensuring that the RIMS seamlessly communicates and shares data with other systems within the organization's ecosystem. This involves the development and testing of interfaces between the RIMS and existing enterprise systems, such as document management systems, quality management systems, or electronic submission platforms. The goal is to establish smooth data exchange pathways, enabling information to flow effortlessly between systems without manual intervention. Thorough testing is conducted to validate the integrity and reliability of these interfaces, ensuring that data is accurately transmitted and synchronized across platforms. By successfully integrating the RIMS with other systems, organizations can streamline processes, minimize data silos, and enhance overall efficiency in regulatory information management. Step 5. Validation and data migration is a critical phase in ensuring the integrity and accuracy of your regulatory information management system, RIMS. Let's break it down into 3 key steps. Validation planning. Begin by developing a comprehensive validation plan that outlines test scenarios, test cases, and acceptance criteria. Define roles and responsibilities within the validation team to ensure clear accountability. This step lays the groundwork for a systematic approach to validating the functionality and performance of the RIMS. Data migration preparation. Prior to migrating data into the RIMS, thorough preparation is essential. Cleanse and prepare data to ensure its quality and consistency. Define data mapping to establish how data from existing systems will be mapped to the structure of the RIMS. Develop a detailed data migration plan to guide the migration process and minimize risks. Data migration execution. With the preparation complete, it's time to execute the data migration plan. Transfer data from legacy systems into the RIMS while ensuring data integrity and accuracy throughout the process. Conduct thorough data validation to identify and address any discrepancies or errors. Finally, perform initial user acceptance testing, UAT, on the migrated data to validate its usability and functionality within the RIMS environment. By meticulously following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and successful validation and data migration process, laying the foundation for the effective operation of your RIMS. Step 6. Training and change. Management is a phase ensuring that users are equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to embrace the new system effectively. Beyond the outlined points, it's essential to understand the broader context of this phase. Developing training materials goes beyond mere documentation. It involves crafting engaging and user-friendly resources that cater to different learning styles and proficiency levels. Conducting training sessions is an opportunity to foster engagement and address specific user needs and concerns. Hands-on practice with the system is crucial for reinforcing learning and building confidence among users as they navigate the RIMS interface and functionalities. Effective change management is about more than just communication. It's about creating a culture that embraces change and innovation. Communicating changes to stakeholders involves transparent and open dialogue, addressing not just the what, but also the why behind the changes. Anticipating and addressing resistance requires empathy and proactive engagement with stakeholders to understand their concerns and provide reassurance and support. Monitoring user adoption goes beyond tracking metrics. It involves ongoing feedback loops and continuous improvement to ensure that users feel supported throughout the transition. By contextualizing training and change management within the broader framework of organizational culture and user engagement, you can ensure a smoother and more successful implementation of your RIMS, driving long-term adoption and value realization. Phase 7. Deployment marks the culmination of your efforts in implementing the RIMS, transitioning from preparation to action. This phase encompasses 2 key stages. Go live preparation. This stage is about finalizing the cutover plan, ensuring that all necessary preparations are in place for a smooth transition to the new system. It involves verifying user access permissions, conducting final system checks, and establishing a robust support structure to address any issues that may arise during the go-live process. Go live. The moment of truth arrives as you execute the cutover activities and officially launch the RIMS into production. During this phase, it's crucial to closely monitor system performance and user interactions, swiftly addressing any issues or concerns that may arise. Immediate support is provided to resolve critical issues, ensuring minimal disruption to operations and maximizing user satisfaction. By meticulously planning and executing the deployment phase, you can ensure a successful transition to the new RIMS, empowering your organization with enhanced regulatory management capabilities and driving value across the board. Step 8. post-implementation support is crucial for sustaining the success of your Regulatory Information Management System, RIMS, beyond the initial deployment. Let's delve into its two key components. First, the post-go-live support. After the system has gone live, it's essential to provide dedicated support to users, ensuring that they have the assistance they need to navigate the system effectively. This involves monitoring system usage and performance, promptly addressing any issues that arise, and implementing minor enhancements to optimize user experience and system functionality. The journey doesn't end with deployment. It's an ongoing process of evolution and refinement. Collecting user feedback is essential for identifying areas of improvement and addressing user needs and preferences. Plan and execute system updates and enhancements based on this feedback, ensuring that the RIMS remains aligned with evolving regulatory requirements and organizational goals. Conduct periodic reviews to evaluate system performance and effectiveness, making adjustments as necessary to ensure continuous alignment with user requirements and industry best practices. By prioritizing post-implementation support and continuous improvement efforts, you can ensure that your RIMS remains a valuable asset to your organization, driving efficiency, compliance, and overall business success in the long run. The ninth and final step, project closure, marks the end of your journey in implementing the Regulatory Information Management System, RIMS, ensuring that all loose ends are tied up and the project is officially concluded. Let's explore the three key components of this phase. Project review. Conduct a thorough post-implementation review to assess the success of the project. Evaluate whether project objectives were met, identify any challenges encountered, and document lessons learned and best practices. This review provides valuable insights for future projects and helps in continuous improvement efforts. Final documentation. Complete all project documentation, ensuring that all deliverables are properly documented and signed off. This includes technical documentation, user manuals, training materials, and any other project-related documents. Proper documentation ensures transparency and facilitates knowledge transfer to stakeholders. Transition to operations. Hand over the management of the RIMS system to the operations team, ensuring a smooth transition from project mode to operational mode. This involves transferring ownership of the system, providing necessary training to the operations team, and ensuring that all support and maintenance contracts are in place. By ensuring a seamless transition, you enable the operations team to effectively manage and maintain the RIMS system going forward. By meticulously executing the project closure phase, you formalize the completion of the project and set the stage for ongoing success and sustainability of the RIMS system within your organization. Thank you for joining us through the implementation roadmap for implementing a regulatory information management system. Should you have any further questions or require additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Also, feel free to share your questions and feedback with us. We value your input and look forward to assisting you further.